The NYX Cosmetics Line Loud Lip Pencil. Is it as bad as the NYX Shine Loud liquid lipsticks, which it was designed to match in color? Well, not these ones exactly. Or is it a good product despite that? Just to be clear, I'm not opposed to the color of the NYX Shine Loud liquid lipsticks. That's actually why I got them, but the quality was absolutely awful. Let's see the application, the pigmentation, the smudge proofness, and believe it or not, this is a tricky question: how to sharpen this Line Loud lip liner. It's not easy to open. Oh my god. Let's start with application and pigmentation. I did apply some lip primer just so that you know. The pigmentation could have been better. I really have to do several passes on this. I don't think it shows up as well as it should. After going back and forth several times, yes it does. But, oh, oops. It's hard to talk and apply lip liner at the same time. I would hardly call this effortless. I see how many times I go back and forth. Does this Shine Loud lip pencil quality really match the Shine Loud lipstick quality? I wouldn't like that. So not effortless, but buildable. I do want a lot more purple color in my lips though, so I'm gonna also fill in the corners and kind of add a little bit of purple here and, you know, sort of blend it. Since it's buildable and not super pigmented, at least it is possible to blend quite easily. You just apply it lightly where you want it to be more blended and it will be semi-transparent. And now the corners. Phew, we finally got there. Let me show you the lip line close up. I mean, it's okay. I managed to fill it in, but this is definitely not perfect. The liquid lip color is way more precise. You get a much neater line than with this lip liner. So see, it's not so even. Let's try this down. So, does it dry down to fairly matte? I love how it matches the nails, oh my god. Yeah, it doesn't really print on my fingers. I have nothing left, so you can say it's long lasting, it's pretty matte. I am obsessed with the color, I guess you can tell. Now inside this, I'm not going to put in a Shine Loud liquid lipstick, goodness forbid. And I will just use my Old Essence bullet lipstick, because that's what I like to use with the lip liners, bullet lipsticks. I just don't understand why lip liners like this are done for liquid lipsticks when a liquid lip liner is much more precise. And if you say it's to give you some guidance while you paint, well, you can just use a nude lip liner for that and just cover it up with a liquid lipstick. For that purpose, you don't need a lip liner of every color. The combo is beautiful. I absolutely adore how this periwinkle color on the eyes and on the lips matches the nails. Yes, I painted my nails this color because I was going to film this video. Now, if you're still willing to go through this back and forth hassle and use your Line Loud lip liner or lip pencil one more time, let's see how you can sharpen it. Ow, it's hard to open, so that you can actually reuse it. But hard to open is actually the good part. It won't just randomly open in your bag. You already saw the sharpener in my hand. You might have thought that this thing is plastic, because it does look like plastic, it does sound like plastic. Oh my god, I'm still obsessed how the nails match with this. But it is not a twist up pencil. This thing does not twist. This thing does not come off. If it does, your pencil is broken. So you take a pencil sharpener, no, sorry, the other side. You put your pencil in there. See, it's kind of blunt, right? Don't worry, just start turning it around, slowly but steadily. Or not very slowly, just however you like it. And there you go, the sharpest tip ever. Does this have any dupes, you might ask? Well, let's see. Among the NYX Matte Lip Liner series, I had 3 purples. So this one is Cyber Pop, which I can see on the website, and it is a warmer color. Overall, kind of similar. Then they also had Amethyst, which was darker and also slightly warmer. And I will show you this one, You Macaron Me Crazy, which I think is a great dupe, but this one was limited edition, so I'm just showing it to you for reference, but I don't think you will be able to find it anywhere. Now, this one is like really close. It is slightly more grayish. While I'm obsessed with the color, not so much with the quality of this lip liner, there is something much better that I like from this NYX Hot Sauce collection, and these are the NYX Epic Wear Liner Sticks for the eyes, and you can find the review right in this video. I will see you there. Bye!